The transformation behind Emicool's MRO inventory modernization. Welcome back to How Enterprises Modernized Operations, a success story series by Propel Apps. Emicool, a leading district cooling provider in the UAE, partnered with Propel Apps to modernize its MRO inventory management using Oracle Fusion SCM and Oracle Maintenance Cloud. Before the transformation, Emicool faced several operational challenges: manual processes, limited inventory visibility, and the need for flexible customization to support complex maintenance operations. Propel Apps implemented a comprehensive barcode scanning solution with QR code labeling, enabling Emicool to efficiently track and move MRO inventory across multiple facilities. With customized integrations, high configurability, and Oracle-certified solutions, Emicool gained the flexibility needed to support evolving maintenance requirements. The impact was clear: improved inventory accuracy, greater operational efficiency, increased productivity, and better decision-making across maintenance operations. As Emicool's IT leadership shared, the solution transformed how they manage complex inventory operations across their district cooling infrastructure. By modernizing MRO inventory management, Propel Apps helped Emicool build a strong foundation for future growth and operational excellence. To learn more about how enterprises modernize operations with Propel Apps,